And another example we have here, kinyu. Kinyu. Kinyu is mean filling in the forms. Filling in the forms. Key is mean write down, write something down, or you just note something down is mean key. But new is mean insert, right? Insert or enter. So when you put the word then note something down and the insert, which means you filling something in the paper or in the form. So in here we have a key news mean filling in the forms. As in here we have the example like 名前を記入してください。名前を記入してください which means please enter your name. Or when you say in the polite you can say お名前を記入してください。お名前を記入してください it means please enter your name. But when you want to say that enter, where to enter, for example, where to enter, you can say like form is mean the form. フォームに名前を記入してください which means please enter your name to the form. These are usually happen when you go to the post office or when you go to the some office that they will say お名前と住所を記入してください。お名前と住所を記入してください which means please fill in your name and address, which means you have to write down your name and your address. Or you can say like another for example you want to say that I write down my daily work to the paper, which means 毎日の仕事の一覧を記入しています。毎日の仕事一覧を記入しています。which means I write down